Imagine a car that doesn't roar when it starts. No fumes, no gas stations, just a quiet hum and a full charge. But have you ever wondered how this futuristic machine, an electric vehicle, is actually made? From raw metals to the sleek ride silently gliding past you, the process is a mind-blowing mix of science, precision, and innovation. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the electrifying journey of how EVs come to life, the blueprint of the future. Before a single wire is laid or a battery is built, it all begins in the design room. Here, engineers and designers collaborate on blueprints that balance aerodynamics, battery efficiency, weight, and looks. The body needs to be lightweight yet strong, usually a combination of aluminum and high-strength steel. But EV design is more than just beauty and shape. Every curve matters. The airflow has to be optimized for minimal drag. Why? Because drag wastes energy, and in EVs, every bit of energy counts. Once the design is finalized, the real magic begins, turning concept into components. Building the heart, the battery. Let's start with the soul of the electric vehicle, the battery. This massive pack of power cells isn't just thrown together. It's engineered like a skyscraper, with layers of lithium-ion cells placed into modules, and modules packed into a battery pack. Inside gigafactories the size of small cities, raw materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel arrive from mines across the world. These are refined and processed into cathodes and anodes, the essential parts of each battery cell. Next, automation takes over. Robots assemble thousands of cells with millimeter precision. One spark or leak could be disastrous, so the environment is tightly controlled. Once assembled, each pack is rigorously tested, thermal testing, crush testing, even fire simulations, to ensure safety under extreme conditions. The skeleton and muscle, chassis and motor. While batteries are the heart, the electric motor is the muscle. And unlike traditional engines with thousands of moving parts, EV motors are simpler, smaller, and quieter, yet incredibly powerful. Copper wire is wound into tight coils to form the stator, while rare earth magnets go into the rotor. The result? A motor that can go from 0 to warp speed in seconds, all while whispering. Meanwhile, on a parallel assembly line, the chassis is being born. It starts as sheets of aluminum that are cut, bent, and welded by robotic arms. The floor is often designed to hold the massive battery pack, keeping the weight low for better balance and handling. Brains of the beast, software and electronics. You might think of EVs as cars, but they're actually computers on wheels. From self-driving features to energy management systems, the software is what makes an EV smart. Printed circuit boards are assembled with sensors, microchips, and control units. These are installed throughout the vehicle to monitor everything: battery health, motor performance, climate control, and even how aggressively you drive. Then comes the marriage, the moment when body, battery, motor, and software all come together on a single assembly line. It's called that because, just like in a wedding, once they're joined, they're not coming apart. Paint, interior, and final assembly. Now it's time for the finishing touches. The frame goes into the paint shop where robotic arms dance around the body like artists. Layers of primer, paint, and clear coat are applied and baked to perfection. Inside, luxury and tech meet. Vegan leather seats, touchscreen dashboards, wireless charging docks. It's not just a car. It's a mobile living room. Every button, wire, and panel is installed with robotic precision and human finesse. Once assembled, each EV undergoes a series of tests: waterproofing, wheel alignment, brake tests, and high-speed track runs. Only after passing every single checkpoint is the car deemed road-ready. The silent revolution. So here it is. From rare earth minerals mined on distant continents to final test drives in zero-emission factories, the making of an electric vehicle is nothing short of a miracle of modern engineering. But this isn't just about making a car. It's about reshaping our future. Electric vehicles represent freedom from fossil fuels, a path toward cleaner cities, and a step closer to solving the climate crisis. Every time you see an EV glide silently by, remember, beneath that quiet exterior is a symphony of science, innovation, and global collaboration. If you found this behind-the-scenes look at electric vehicles as fascinating as we did, hit that like button and subscribe to the production process. We break down how the world's most incredible things are made, one epic process at a time. Got a product you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Let's power up knowledge, one process at a time.